Marcus Alden and colleagues from Malmo, Sweden, demonstrated that the Pfizer vaccine reverse transcribes through an enzyme called line 1. That means DNA is made from the Pfizer RNA code and then is installed into the human genome, or is at least found in chromatin about 6 hours after injection. The CDC has always said, don't worry, these vaccines don't alter human DNA. This is the first paper to show that at least the middle 444 base pair clearly is in human DNA, and many experts believe if the middle part of the code gets in it, then the full length of the code must reverse transcribe. If this is true, if this paper is true, this has massive implications. Now, it's going to have to be validated. It's going to have to be a lot of additional work. But if this is true, this means people who have taken the vaccine now actually have a permanent alteration in their genes, that they themselves have the code for this dangerous Wuhan spike protein that was altered in the lab in China, that they themselves, years later, could potentially produce the spike protein either on a chronic low level to cause disease or on an inducible level, and that means in the setting of a stress, produce a lot of it, and then create spike protein disease in the body, which I'll tell you, clearly the spike protein causes disease. But this is far and away the most worrisome paper that's been published since the release of the vaccines. And if it's true, we could be in real trouble because parent cells would pass it on to daughter cells. That means gametocytes, that is sperm and egg, will contain some of this and pass it down to the baby. And we'll never be able to get this spike protein out of the human species. This is an extremely, extremely important development. A student in a lab in Sweden was the first one to show it, and we are anxiously awaiting lots of confirmation. Many groups now are working on confirmation.